Today, we're talking about one of the most used and important fixtures in your home, your toilet. It can also be one of the easiest things to fix in terms of plumbing repairs as long as you know what you're doing. So let's get to know your toilet. I'm Henry Rodriguez, a master plumber with Goettl Air Conditioning and Plumbing. With over 25 years in the industry, my advice will hopefully save you some time and money. First, let's get into how a toilet works. That way, if you have a problem, you'll have a better idea of what's wrong. When you flush your toilet, this little thing called the flapper lifts and water from the tank flows through the valve into the bowl. When the bowl is full, the flapper closes. Now the tank fills back up through a fill valve, a float mechanism, usually a cup on new toilets or a rubber ball on older models, stops the water flow when the tank is full. Before you try to make any repairs to your toilet, turn off the water supply valve on the wall behind the toilet. This is also where you would turn off the water if you were having a water emergency with your toilet. Just a quick quarter turn. Now remove the lid and put it in a safe place. You definitely don't want to drop it or crack it. If your toilet won't flush, start by checking the flush handle. Often, the nut inside the tank will be loose and all you have to do is tighten it. Another problem could be that your lift chain came off the handle or the flapper valve. Try to reconnect it. But if it won't reconnect or it looks like you might need a new chain, this would be a good time to call Goettl. Chains are finicky and have to be adjusted just right for the toilet to flush properly. Now, if your toilet won't stop running, take a look at your flapper seal. Look to see if there's any nicks or tears in it. If so, you can replace the flapper. Just make sure to get the one that's designed for your toilet. Another common problem involves the tube that runs water directly into the overflow pipe. Make sure it's in the overflow pipe, but not shoved in too far. That can create a siphon and make it seem like the toilet is constantly flushing. While you have the lid off the tank of your toilet, look for any discoloration. That might be a sign of a water quality issue. And if you ever feel like you're getting in over your head with a toilet repair, give us a call at Goettl. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.